and the mechanical engineer quoted me $2,200, $2,200. So I said, I'm going to try to do it myself. So the plans that we had created using AI are hopefully going to be passed today at my 1 o'clock appointment. I just wanted to come to the site to give a little walkthrough of what I'm working with here. A couple things to note today is my hair. It's a new style for me. Bedhead. Okay. My snazzy neon and my track jacket. I'm at one of my favorite spots here, and I'm picking up a sprayer because I'm spraying a house today. So I'm renting a sprayer. It's just one of the stops I'll have to make today. While I'm trying to get my plans approved for the sub pump at the city. I got my sprayer, and we are going with Rave Raisin, that color. Testing out an old crappy sprayer, didn't work, and I had to rent an actual sprayer from Home Depot, got that set up, and now I'm headed to my Angus St property to take a look at a sub pump that I'm getting plans for and permits for the sub pump. And interestingly enough, we are using a couple different tools, AI tools, to generate the plans. And we're doing this as an experiment. I was quoted $2,200 to generate some plans from a mechanical engineer, and I figured I'd give it a shot myself. I took the first set of plans down to the city, and I was given a bunch of corrections, and now I made the corrections, and now I've got a second set. So I'm going to see if the city will accept what we've generated and save myself $2,200. Behind me is the ejector system. We are standing in what will be the bathroom down here in the basement of our new property. We have construction happening now, finally, after months of permitting and planning and getting permits. This is the laundry room. This will be the bathroom. And that's the ejector system. Because it's subterranean, as you can see, it needs to force all of the waste up and out through there. That's the front yard. That will go out to the front yard, to the gravity line, which will go out to the street. The street's that way. So the plans that we had created using AI are hopefully going to be passed today at my 1 o'clock appointment. I just wanted to come to the site to give a little walkthrough of what I'm working with here. And this will be a little lounge area. And then we have some more lounge. And you walk out of the property of the home. This is the extension that we've built. This is the backyard. This phenomenal park-like backyard. We'll probably turn this into a little wading pool here. That's the Franklin Hills behind me. And the lot is around 11,000 square feet. That's a beautiful stainless steel doors, which will come out to a deck that wraps around this beautiful ancient willow tree. And we are back up and running at this site. So I will be sending many updates as we progress. And yeah, so we're going to build a little dining patio down there. And yeah, there's the hills, Franklin Hills. We are in the heart of Silver Lake. And this project should be done and on the market in just a few months. Let's go to the city and see if I can get these plans generated by AI approved. Before we head down to the city, I got to show you this room. This is going to be phenomenal. This room is amazing addition to this house. We'll have chevron floor, white oak floors, this massive set of French doors, steel frame French doors. Look at this. Beautiful view. All new windows, all new floors. This gorgeous moment here with this ancient willow tree in the background. I mean, Yeah, this is such a special house, and really excited to see it come to life now. I just parked at LADBS. That building right behind me is where you will go when you've got your plans, which I've got, generated by AI, which cost me just my monthly subscription at Claude. And the mechanical engineer quoted me $2,200, $2,200. So I said, I'm going to try to do it myself. And now I walk up those stairs and try to get these plans approved and give you guys a peek as to what happens on the inside. That's what this is all about. I wanted to shed some light into the process of how to get some permits and plans and permits approved, and the experiment is using AI to generate the plans. And I guess that's kind of the objective here, is reducing the friction when it comes to building. Let's see how this goes. Here we are. Plan check. Oh. Let's see this. My appointment is in about 5 minutes.
Okay, and these are your calculations, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What was missing before?
Angela, yeah, Josh, what's up? Yeah.
Demo?
This is the suspenseful moment.
Ejector basin. Okay. Ejector pump room, bath, laundry. Did you want to use one?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's just a sewage ejector.
Okay.
It looks complete to me.
Separate inlets?
Yeah, I guess so.
Here's my application fee for the ejector. Plan check only. Permit fees are under, and it's $280. I do not have my plans approved yet, but this is a good sign. It's working. All right, this is all happening pretty quickly, but I'm at the city, and I got some corrections, and I got to run down to the basement where there's a print shop. There's a print shop in the basement, and I loaded the corrections from the plan checker into AI, and I'm whispering because I'm not supposed to let these guys know. It's part of the experiment. And I gotta go run down, print them, and I've got 5 minutes before the guy goes home. So I'm gonna see if I can make this happen. Did my corrections, make my changes, gonna print, and then call him and see if I get them approved. I don't know where the print shop is. I forget. I've got like 3 minutes. All right, great news. I don't have my mic, but great news. The print shop's closed down in the basement, so now I'm running up to the 5th floor. The plan checker has left his station, but he told me where his office is. It's on the 5th floor. Plan checkers hang out on the 4th floor, so I'm gonna run up to the 5th floor and try to find him, see if he'll print my plans out for me.